Today we're excited to introduce the Maydolly Baby Bassinet and Bedside Sleeper, a versatile 3-in-1 rocking bassinet designed to make life easier for both baby and parents. This innovative bassinet features a breathable mesh window for full visibility and a foldable mosquito net with a zipper, ensuring your little one enjoys a peaceful night's sleep. With its advanced open and fold mechanism, the bassinet can be set up in just 35 seconds, and its adjustable drop side rail and stay-in-place connection system make side sleeping a breeze. Offering 6 height adjustments and an incline option, it easily adapts to the height of your bed, while the luxury soft foam mattress with a hard supportive board ensures comfort and support. Plus, the easy fold system and handy travel bag make it perfect for on-the-go families, and the spacious storage basket keeps all your baby's essentials within reach. Designed for infants up to 12 months and supporting up to 15 kilograms, the Maydolly Baby Bassinet is the ultimate solution for a safe and comfortable sleeping environment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and parenting tips. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.